What kind of bone cells do we have? There are 4 main types of bone cells. Talking about each one in turn. Of course, they're all going to start with osteo because we know osteo indicates bone. So the first type is osteogenic cells. The osteogenic are going to be stem cells. They're found in the endosteum, that inner layer within a bone, lining a medullary cavity. But you can also find them in the inner layer of the periosteum. So these stem cells basically create, because they're stem cells, they're going to give rise to the osteoblasts. So they multiply continuously and give rise to osteoblasts, which is what stem cells do. They're going to be the progenitor cells for all of our main cells throughout our body in different tissues. The osteoblasts, again, bone, but these blasts are also generators. These are specifically bone-forming cells, osteoblasts. These are going to perform osteogenesis, genesis creation, is what that root means. So osteogenesis, they're going to make soft organic matter. So they're going to make the osteocytes or the osteocells. But they're also going to provide the organic matter of the matrix and encourage or send signals to mineralize that matrix so that it can harden and be hard, which is what a bone requires. Certain stressors, and I don't mean stressors as in I have an exam coming up, but stressors such as physical stressors like weight, as you get older, or from a child into adulthood, as you begin to stand and walk, the stress placed on the bones changes. And this change in stress actually stimulates these osteogenic cells to multiply rapidly and increase the number of osteoblasts, which are then going to reinforce the bone, because not only are they making more bone cells, but they're also making this organic matter that will mineralize and make the hardness of the bone.